Ayun o, kay kuya o. Kumembo po. So guys, punta muna kami ng Kumembo Palengke. Nasaan? Ha? Na dyan?
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you know.
Okay guys, nandito na kami sa palengke ng Kumembo. Again, part 2 to nung video natin. So guys, part 2 to ng video natin kanina. Nung nag-grocery tayo sa SM Ora. Dito tayo guys ngayon sa Kumembo Public Market. So bibili tayo ng kulang na prutas dun sa binili natin.
Ulit.
Sorry.
Ito paano, mami, yung banana?
Follow up!
Sige lang. Ilan? Brown sugar pa pala. Ilan pa tayo?
Okay na yan, yung ganyan.
Madami?
Madami na yan, okay na daw. May ganito pala na ano, na condense na ube.
May mango pa nga.
Ha?
May mango pa. Itlog.
Jersey.
Okay na yan.
Okay na yan. Oh.
May mango pa niyan.
Meron pa bang, meron din mango nun? Ah, okay.
Meron yan.
Ah, talaga? Thank you po.
Sago.
Bakit parang ano na, wala na mga namimili? Ay, 5:30 na pala eh. So, bili kami rito guys ng sago. Shoutout kay tatay tsaka kay nanay na nagtitinda ng sago at gulaman. Black gulaman. Ay, hindi tayo magko-coffee jelly. Hindi tayo magko-coffee jelly.
Hindi na ubi na.
Ube? Ubi jelly? Ah, okay.
Cheese. Ubi cheese. Ang mga iba naman ay. Na ano ba ba ito? Pinya pa. Pinya pa pala.
Pinya, oh. Tara, labas muna tayo dun.
Bilang din na ba ako?
Bili muna kami ng itlog, guys.
Ano sa credit, no? 240. Yellow fish.
Ay, sorry po.
Pagkalan ko, 240. Ayun, napalit ako bumili ng
Pumili kami, guys, ng Dinorado. 10 kilo. Yun kay kuya, oh. Yun, 10 kilo. Ayan. Nandito? Malaglag dun, no, sa itlog. So, shout out kay kuya. Lagi kong binibila ng bigas dito sa palengke. So guys, nandito na kami sa labas. So, sobrang traffic, no? So yung palengke pala hanggang 6 PM lang. Magkano daw? 250?
Ikaw?
Ha? Mas mura pa yun sa SM.
Pero wala sila, Marv.
Ha? Ayun, oh. Pinyo. Tanong mo kung magkano. O yan.
Pagkano yan, kuya?
Kuya, dalawa na. So guys, bumili kami ng pinya. Ako na, anak. O, ikaw. Yung cellphone mo, ha?
Kuya, oh. Naman.
O, kulang ka pa ng longgan. Ayun.
Teka, kung kumulang change ko.
Yan, oh. Longgan.
Magkano dito, kuya, ate? 120 ka lang. Kalahati?
Sakto, oh. 120, oh.
Yung kami! Galit yung mom na kanina.
O guys, bumili kami longgan.
1 point lang.
Oo.
No? Ate, 1 point lang. Kuya.
Hindi, yan. Magkano yun? Ito.
Ito parang bawas na ito sa 1 point. Parang sobra yan, guys. 100 na lang.
100 na lang. O, yan.
Kay mama.
Akin na to. Baka maano eh. Salamat po.
Okay na, andun.
Sige na. Yung itlog, ilagay mo muna dyan sa loob.
Kaya. Akin na nga yan.
So guys, ito na yung bigas. 10 kilo, napakabigat. Pauwi na kami.
Kasi nagtuwa kanina. Pero sinabi niya, alam niya mag-uus yan.
Uy, basa.
Can you hear me calling? Am I wasting time? I can hear the echoes left with no reply.
where did you go? We used to be kids, now I feel so grown. I miss being free to be me, not alone. I used to have friends, but we don't talk anymore. I guess that's on me, I got busy. I used to drink soda, now I switched to whiskey. I didn't want time to pass, but time is fast. I just wish you were more than memories. I got kids now, but I'm a kid now. I haven't grown in my mind, just my skin now. I don't get taxes, I hate chores, I hate mail, bills, and miss the outdoors. I feel like the air used to smell different. The grass was greener and the summers were for swimming. I used to play baseball every inning. Now I work for a living.
Can you hear me calling? Am I wasting time? I can hear the echoes left with no reply. Can you hear me calling? Left inside my mind. What was once a fire, now the embers die goodbye.
I watch more podcasts and hear less music. My brain feels different and I don't wanna lose it. I try to stay healthy but I'm tired all the time, cause there's too much on my mind. Got into meditation, just try to be more patient. Find a passion, a purpose, a reason to keep chasing all the dreams that I had when I was a little kid. Whatever happened to those dreams, man, there's something that I miss. Maybe I should do this, I always love music.
Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa bahay. So ayun, kagagaling lang namin ng palengke dito sa Comembo para bilihin yung kulang na prutas dun sa wala sa SM Ora, sa supermarket nila. So kumpleto na guys, nabili na namin lahat ng kailangan namin. So nagdagdag lang kami ng konting amount or pera dun sa pinadala sa amin na 3,000 pesos. So nabili kami guys ng bigas. Maraming salamat dun sa nagpadala ng 3,000 pesos as blessing para sa New Year's Eve celebration namin. So again, ma'am, sir, maraming salamat po sa inyo. At more blessings to come. So dito ko natatapusin guys yung vlog ko ngayong araw ng Lunes, December 29, 2025. Hanggang sa susunod na video guys, vlog guys. Peace out.